Oh, you really want to see what's in my bag, do you, little Snoopy McGee? You little privacy invader? Invader? Hey guys, what's in here? Okay guys, so I know this video is like an old school trend, but you guys have said to me that you want to see an updated one, and I just recently changed bags to this Juicy Couture bag. I have a little story time about this. So I've always loved Juicy Couture. I know like Y2K shit's coming back and like everyone likes Juicy Couture now because it's trendy. But honestly, if you guys know me, I've always loved like Barbie and Hello Kitty and Juicy Couture and shit that's all coming back right now, or that's like trendy right now. When the trend ends, I'm still gonna love the shit I do. Why am I swearing so much? Like, calm down. And if you don't know me, if you want to subscribe, it is free to do so, and I would love to have you a part of my cutie army. Come on and fight. Why? No, we're not fighting. Also, do we like the eyeshadow, the makeup moment? I'm going to see the Barbie movie today, so I wanted to like be a little bit Barbie-rific. I'm gonna do a vlog and a TikTok on going to the Barbie movie as well, so stay tuned for that, unless it's already up. You know me, I can't freaking post videos all together in correlation, but you guys wanted to see it. Also, people always, since 2009, when I started YouTube, have criticized the way I say bag. I don't know. I feel like I say it the same as like every American. I'm Canadian. I don't know if it's just me being Canadian or me being me. It has nothing to do with Canadian. I don't know. But I've always been like criticized for the way I say garage, bag, bagel, obviously, lots of other things. But bag is one of them. People just like emphasize it in the comments. So I don't know. What's in my bag? What's in my purse? What is in my thing that goes over my shoulder? But this is so cute. Okay. So the purse itself, people always ask me all the time where I get the stuff I get. Oh my god, it actually matches right now. That's so cute. And my eyeshadow, like, stop! Okay, so the purse itself, without these little charms here, this is the bag. This is how it came. So basically, my parents moved. My parents love moving, so they always move. I'm gonna keep this short and show you guys what's in the bag. But before they moved, they had a garage sale. And my mom's like, come and pick through all of our old stuff. Like, you can have whatever you want. So we went there and I got some old CDs, some Panic at the Disco, Fall Out Boy, stuff like that. And then she had a 50-cent box and this purse was in it for 50 cents. And I was like, are you like demonic? Do you have some like possession over you? What? 50 cents? Like, I know people that would pay like $50 for this. More than that, probably. So this is the purse. It is used, my mom's used purse. She probably bought it used at Value Village at some point. So it looks like this. It's an authentic Juicy one. Not that it matters. Even if it's not authentic, who cares? And it has this beautiful little logo here that separates. It's so adorable. And then what I added, we're finally now getting to like what I have in here in my stuff, is this little Barbie keychain. I got this from the Barbie collection at Urban Planet, if you're wondering. And then I added this that I got at Dollarama. It's just this little, matches the bag. I like never match, so that's an accomplishment for me. And then just an overview of what's in it. This is what it looks like. This is what's in it. Do I carry all this stuff all the time? No. Sometimes if I go to the bar, I pretty much won't bring a purse, or I'll shove shit into my friend's pocket. If I'm just going to the gym, I'm not gonna take this purse. But this is like, you know, when my purse is like full and what I'm using right now, basically. I'm going to the Barbie movie tonight. I'm gonna take a few things out of here, or maybe add a few things. So the very first thing in my purse is my phone, and I don't think it's a surprise. That's pretty much everyone's first thing in their phone. Purse, the Barbie case. Yes, Morgan Wallen is my background. Hiya, Barbie. Okay, next I have some sunglasses. These ones are just from Ardennes. These are like my go-to right now. Like, they look like this. They're just like big oversized sunglasses. I've been wearing these all the time. So if you guys have been seeing my snaps or my vlogs, and if you're wondering, that's where I got them, and they were literally like under $10, so they're super cheap. Next, I usually have snacks with me, and recently I've been carrying more healthier snacks. I mean, this isn't healthy, but just like healthier than like shoving a Big Mac into my purse is what I usually would do. This is wasabi flavored seaweed sheets, seasoned sushi, seasoned seaweed. It's not sushi. I just get these at 7-Eleven. I literally just go to the shelf at 7-Eleven. They have different flavors. I got the wasabi this time. They're literally like $1.50. 15 calories for this. Cute. If I'm in traffic and if I'm starving, I'll eat that. Next, selfie light. It's a clip. It clips right to your phone like this, and then you turn it on. And you can charge it, and there's 3 levels to it. Always I put it on the brightest. So next I have, okay, if you guys know me, you guys know my favorite makeup item is lip product. That's one thing I can't not have in a purse. I always have lip products in a purse. So I have a few here. Like I have lots of lip products. Like I always need lip products. So I have this Lip Smackers lip gloss. It's so cute. It's this little like panda cat thing. I don't know. I got this at Walmart if you're wondering. Yeah, it just looks like that. It smells literally like the most artificial strawberry milkshake you've ever smelled, and it's so cute and it's very sticky. This is my favorite lip gloss of all time. As you can see, like I'm pretty much almost out of it. It's what I'm wearing right now if you're wondering. It's the Fenty Beauty Heat in Lemon Lava. Looks like this. We love Riri. We love a good Riri moment. I love this. I always repurchase it. Any Fenty Beauty gloss. It doesn't have to be the Heat. There's literally... Okay, yeah, there. There was a hair on my face. Hairy face. Just kept popping in my head. It's like hairy face. I don't know why. Anyway, that's what it looks like. I always have this. This is like my favorite lip gloss ever. I just said that. And then this is super cute. Also at Walmart. Like Walmart has like the cutest stuff. You just gotta look. This is Love You Strawberry Much because it's a little gummy bear. And it's just a little... lip chat, like a cute little lip chat. People always ask me where I get this, if I like pull this, if I like whip this out at the convenience store at church, you know. I'm like, at your dad's house. I'm just like, and he's like, where'd you get that, sis? Anyway, next I have another little gummy bear thing. This is from the case itself. I don't like displaying this. I used to do that, but I think it's like, I want to say tacky, but girl, my whole life is tacky. Like everything head to toe is tacky, so I feel like I can't say that. Everyone has the right to say it but me. So I just put it inside my purse, but it's this little gummy bear from Bath & Body Works, I just said. And I have in here, oh God, sanitizer. No matter what kind of sanitizer, it stinks. Like, it smells good. It smells better. Oh, frick, it smells good. It's pink bubble gum. Yeah, this little holder is cute. It's a pain in the ass to put these in there. I'm like trying to fight with it. Next I have some tissues. I bought like a big pack of these that have these individual in them at Dollarama, and they're really fun. There's only like, oh, there's 10 in here. I was like, that's why they go so fast. Yeah, it's good to have if like I sneeze, if I'm picking my nose, if I'm itching my vagina. I don't know. Whatever. They're good to have. This is a necessity, and I just bought this today because I was out of my other one. I get this mega pack of 5 gum spearmint. If all my friends know that this is like my shit. I literally need this gum at all times. A fresh pack. Perfect for the Barbie movie. I literally am obsessed with gum. I'm always chewing gum. Probably not a good thing to always be chewing gum. My teeth are probably gonna fall out, but hey, there's always teeth implants if that happens, dentures. And I love the... And also it's better than the like floppy packs because sometimes I spill stuff or stuff leaks into my purse and then it gets all in to the gum and I've still eaten it, yes, or chewed it. This, indestructible, girl. Okay, let's get into some like actually purse essentials. So I have my wallet. I've always had a wallet like this. This one is Juicy Couture as well. Looks like this. I have some money. This is Canadian money if you're not Canadian. This is what our 20s look like. Just over $100 in cash there. This is a real Louis Vuitton, I don't even know what this is, a coin purse. Literally one of the most impractical things that I've ever purchased that was designer. Literally this was expensive and I don't know why I bought it. Like I was like, oh, like it's so cute. I literally put in here change and my mailbox key. This was just for my mailbox keys. Like it's literally like my mailbox key, and then I have some change. Oh my god, I'm dropping it. So I have some quarters and I have a toonie. This is $2 in Canada. Like it's so pointless, but I'm like, I spent so much money on it, so I'm just gonna start using it as a change purse as well as my mailbox key because it was only for my mailbox key. So pointless. Honestly, I did not need this, but I'm using it because I spent so much freaking money on it. Oh, that's what fell out. I had another toonie. I'm rich. Okay, then I have a hairbrush, and this one is Barbie. I recently bought this, and I have a little Barbie haul on my channel if you guys want to see it. I got this at Urban Planet. Brushless extensions, so cute. It's a little big. I want to get one of those like foldable ones, but I haven't been able to find one in a while, so this is gonna do for now until I do find one. Of course, spray. Need spray. That's another essential. I always, so good. This one is 1,000 Wishes from Bath & Body Works. Perfect size. They have lots of things for your purse like this. God, there's like hair everywhere. Like I'm literally a shedding sheepdog. This hand cream in Dream Bright. There's like little jewels on it. It smells like, it just smells good. I don't know what it smells like because the 1,000 Wishes are like overpowering it. It smells the same. It smells the same as the 1,000 Wishes. I just like good smelling shit. Okay, this is my little secret compartment. Woo! This is legal, so I don't want anyone to like report me to the police. Don't report me, please. This little leopard case contains, stay away! I got this like pink, it's technically pepper spray. Pepper spray is actually banned and illegal in Canada. You cannot carry it on you. You cannot ship it to you. You cannot have it in your possession. It's illegal. I know a lot of Americans are probably like, what? Like, how do you protect yourself? Tasers are also illegal to have. So many things are illegal to protect yourself against various things. Now, you're probably wondering, well, then why are you showing this on the internet? How did you get this? Basically, this is dog and coyote attack deterrent pepper spray, it says there. And it's pink! Look at this, I got the pink one. I got this at a store called Cabela's in my city. It's like a hunting store, camping store. I go for lots of walks, and I go for walks at night, and I go to dog parks a lot, or I'll go like literally in the forest, in the bush. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you would see that. So I have encountered actually a coyote last week. It was very far away, but I saw it cross into the bush, and I was like I was alone. I'm like, whoa, what? And my dog is like blind, deaf. He doesn't even know if he's walking. Love Coop, love him, but he's getting really old, so he's like not the scary attack dog at night, and I'm like, cool. These fists, I can't even make a fist because my nails are so long. I use it, or I don't use it. I have never used it, thank goodness, but it's good to have something than to not have anything. You know what I mean? In a situation like that. Also, if another dog attacks me or Cooper on these walks, you know what I mean? Like, it's legal, and they sell it in Canada. They sell out so quick. They say that they sell out. They get them every like 3 to 4 months, and they sell out in like 2 days because you can't really buy it. It's so hard to buy. So got it, and it's just like for protection against walks and stuff like that, and it's good to have. Also, next is my keys, my Range Rover key. I drive a Range Rover. This, my bestie, one of my besties had this custom made for me. I absolutely love it for my birthday. My little gym tag and my house keys, other keys. I don't know, keys are boring. Next is my little pen here, and I love shrimp, as you guys can see, and there's like a little skewer here. This is literally a pen. Oh my god, I literally have had this in my purse for so long. This is a pen, so if somebody's like, do you have a pen? I'm like, yep. And then I give them the shrimp skewer. I don't remember where I got this. I've had it for years, and yes, it still has ink in it because no one ever asks me if I have a pen, and if I'm like, here you go, here's the shrimp, they usually say never mind. Love shrimp. Okay, the last thing in the main pocket here are these cotton candy mints. They are really good, but I like to just suck on shit, so if I'm out of gum or something, then I'll use that. Okay, now into this big pocket right here. It says shop. Okay, we have another lip thing. This is a Marie lip smacker, also Walmart. This thing is so cool. Look at this. So you go like that, and it's a little lip balm like this, and then you just go. I love that so much. Literally Walmart, you guys. People think like being tacky is expensive. It's cheap. Okay, also in here I have a scrunchie, a silk scrunchie. Then I have this PiinkSparkles, woohoo! Little unicorn, and it's just a mirror here. I have my lens cap in here because I'm recording on it right now, but I usually have my vlogging camera in there, so that's in there. And the last thing in here is my fan, which I've been using a lot this summer, I should say. So it's a little, wait, here, look. It's a little kitty. Looks like that, isn't it? So cute. Now, sometimes I like can't get this open with my nails. Like, it's hard, and my nail lady should not be watching this. So basically, it's just so good. It's so compact, and you just, oops, and it has speeds. It's so good and convenient. So yeah, it's adorable too. Like, hello, it's a kitty. Hello, kitty. Like, yeah, I know it looks like something else, but get your mind out of the gutter. Now in these little pockets, I'm gonna go with this one that says hello, because back in the day, the cell phones were flip phones, and you would put them right back in here. I have more, I haven't actually tried these yet, but I have more yummy breath smelling things. These are strawberries and cream Tic Tacs. They're new, they're cute, they're pink. I saw them at Walmart and had to get it. Then I have my registration for my vehicle in here in case I get pulled over for the pepper spray. And then the only other thing in here are some Tums. I have these for my boyfriend because he gets, I feel like every boyfriend I've ever had always has heartburn. I don't know, maybe it's me, maybe I burn hearts. Sometimes I use them too, but I always have to, I have like a big pack of these that have mini ones, and I just throw one in my purse. And then the last thing is this little pocket here that says Juicy Kiss, mwah! And for the Juicy Kiss, I have some Tylenol. I have this, and I just refill it time and time again with different Tylenols and Advils or whatever, anxiety medication. And then the very last thing in the purse is this, and I love these. I got these at Walmart as well. Like, literally, this is not a sponsor for Walmart. These are Plackers brand. It looks like this, and it's just basically to get stuff out of your teeth. It's like dental floss with a stick. That's it. I don't want to carry dental floss with me, and I literally reuse this because I'm a disgust. I'll literally just go like this and just keep using it. I mean, to a point. I don't use this for like a year, but It's good for like a month. Anyways, that was everything that was in my purse. You guys have been requesting this for a while and I finally delivered. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this and I will talk to you guys all in my next one. What is in your bag and what did I miss for purse essentials? Please list it down below. And when I change purses, do you guys want to see this again? Thumbs it up.